it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I've got an exciting home tour for you. But before we dive in, if you're new here, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe and like button and turn on those notifications so you never miss a home tour. And if you're actively searching for a new construction home, visit my website at latoyadillard.com, where you can browse homes that fit your criteria. Now, let's get into today's tour. Today, we are in Charlotte, North Carolina, checking out the Willow floor plan by Accent Homes in the Kinghurst Cove community. This beautiful home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 2,400 square feet of living space, a 2-car garage, a stylish butler's pantry, EVP flooring, and 9-foot ceilings. And this home is currently priced at $520,250. And the best part, it's move-in ready. And the builder is offering up to $12,000 in closing cost incentives as well. If you're interested in more details or want to schedule a tour, give me a call today. I would love the opportunity to earn your business and assist you with purchasing this home or any new construction home. Hope you enjoy this tour. But please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think about this home. Enjoy!